We saw a need on preventive maintenance on yellow machines, and we also had a need to support our field operation on production reports and quality checks. So that's where we started.
With CheckProof, we can just basically anywhere in the world create a deviation and just send a notification to the plant manager directly that there's a product ABC that has this precise problem, so he can fix it right away instead of having to go through the whole chain of email and calls and scanning and printing and so on. That it's just unnecessary. The savings have been unimaginable.
CheckProof has helped me a lot because earlier we had a lot of time-consuming gathering of reports. We needed to go to all of the vehicles and check their little history of daily, weekly inspections and stuff like that. Now I get everything in the system. CheckProof is making my day easier.
My name is Per Åström. I work as an CEO in Jehander, a company owned by HeidelbergCement. Jehander is an aggregate producer mainly in the Stockholm area in Sweden. In HeidelbergCement we have a focus on continuous improvement, and that's one reason why we use CheckProof as a main tool to improve our business.
In total, we have around 100 to 120 CE-marked products, which means that we have to keep really tight control of all these different products as they are being produced. So CheckProof really offers us an efficient way of following the quality of the different products that we have.
CheckProof is not only for maintenance checks, daily checks in yellow fleet. You have also the health and safety, the quality, and the incident reporting. So when you gathered every employee, and talk about the red thread around everything, that you can have everything in the same system, it's easy for the user to go out, check the problem, take a photograph, make a comment, and then your supervisor will have it in the computer and needs to follow it up.
There's no need to continue doing checklists on paper and losing it and then being inefficient. Increase your productivity by going through CheckProof, basically.